Hey guys, as you can tell, I'm back with another video. And yeah. So there we go. Add windows. I don't think we can. Are we allowed to? Can I? Okay, so let's go to light. It's so hard, guys. I feel like guys understand how hard it is. It's like so hard. I don't think I have enough money for that. So, ow, my back. We have a bedroom build mode, guys. And I really think this is gonna work. I really do. Build mode. Fireplaces. I don't really want to like spend all my money. So I just need to change some decals. Same. Y'all think of more. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I mean, maybe if this were hard, guys, like, girl, build. Let's go, guys. Let's just paint these. Since she's putting lights, I'm gonna put some lights, guys. No, no, guys, no. Oh, I'm gonna add another one. I have to add another one. This is gonna. I hope this house is really great. Like seriously, guys, this house is not gonna be good. This room is not gonna be good. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No. Decorate? Great, 3 minutes! Okay. Go right here. Like that, and then let's do this. We need to hurry up. And then now let's do that. Come on, we gotta do this. We gotta beat this. There we go! I'm out. I'm gonna change my decal. Bro, stop. Shut the door. Can one of you change it to a tile? Ari, remake me. Allie. Allie, remake me. Ugh. Yes. Did you leave my door open? No, hold on. I need to be roommated. Roommate me, roommate. No! Why? Oh my god. Hold on. Okay, I'm last. Shut the fucking door. Can't you see I'm in love with you? This is mine. Grade 7. 7. 5. Mine, it's mine. 5. 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Really? 17. Which house are we looking at now? I'm 17. 80, hell. 6. 6. No, I'm gonna lose. Let's look over here. Seven. Wait, so water's first, I'm second. Place, and who's third? Oh guys, I didn't know. So you saw all the houses. That was mine. That was Ellie's. That was Waters. That was Ariana. So I was in second place. Waters first. And Ari's third. And Ellie's last. What? Yeah, you saw mine. I think Ella is Katie is Ari. Wait, what did Ari? I got 17 now. I don't know how much yeah. So guys, you saw this was mine. It's not that bad, guys. It's not that bad. Like, it was so hard for me to do it with 5K, so I made it too, huh? I really liked... So that's it. Bye, guys. Remember, you're always beautiful, and it stays like that.